guys, today I will be playing fishing food. I do not remember, but it's either one. Okay, let's start. Whoa, a human! I'm not a human. Don't lie to me. I know what a human is. I'm a cat. Meow. You're actually a liar. Anyways, I was about to go fishing till you interrupted me. I want to go fishing too. Yay, we can fish together. Tap the ocean to throw the hook. Okay. Tap the fish. Cheeseburger. Oh, it's just a burger? That's like shite. It's cheesy burger. Ugh, I can't breathe. Whoa, a talking burger. Haven't seen one of those before. Why'd you take me away from my home? I need water to breathe. Put me back in the ocean. Okay, fine. No, I worked hard to catch him. You just let him go. Why are you gonna be like that? I just want to go home. I've lived in the ocean for 20 years. No wonder you're so salty. Don't worry, we'll catch you a friend. Don't kidnap more burgers. Don't tell me what to do. Yum. Thanks for the snack. You ate the other burger? What else was I supposed to do with it? I don't know, be friends with it or something? Why would I be friends with a piece of food? You're a piece of food too! I don't have a choice. It's eat or be eaten in this world. No, it's not. I'll catch another one. Just, please, don't eat them this time. Sorry, I'm just walking. I'm gonna walk to where I'm just gonna sit. Oh, he's mad now. Hey! What you want? How am I supposed to make a living when you eat everything I catch? Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Watch this. What are you doing? You're kind of freaking me out. Hold on, it didn't work. Let me try again. Whoa, that was amazing. Can you do that again? Sure, I'll do whatever you feed me. Do it again right now. You already ate 2 burgers. Hold on, take a drink. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm gonna be rich. I mean, we are, bud. Tap to nap. Tap to start nap. Alright, we'll start nap. Let's nap. Why are you sleeping? I want more food. Too bad. But think of all the money you could be making. Don't worry, I'll make money in my sleep. I wouldn't sleep otherwise. How does that help me, though? I'm sure the wealth will trickle down somehow. Dream. Guide to move. I'm walking, Nap. You have been outnumbered. Any last words? Good thing I voted earlier. Ow, that hurt. Bow down to the king. Oh my god. How do you have that money? I voted stickers. That seems pretty illegal. I'm calling the cops. Not if I can help it. Hello? Whoa, you guys are in that apple? Yep. Or oil that's left of him. Time to move. Throw, ow. Ow, he's hitting me. Stop hitting me. Owie. Stop it. You won the dream. Now successful. You defeated Oil the Foods. What? Oh no! Wow, the wealth really trickled down. This is pretty concerning. I can't fish in these conditions. So now what? It's gonna suck, but I know what I have to do. Tap the drink. Don't die. You're my only source of food. I'll be all right. Just need to lie down for a bit. Oh no, what have I done? Hey there, big guy. In fact, now my life is over. People will stop playing the game if I look like this. What are you doing? To squeeze the fat out. I will not be fat. What do you mean you will squeeze it out? Where will it go? Not my problem. Anywhere but here. I need to stay cute for players. I did it. Is your eye okay? I guess the weight had to go somewhere. I think people think big eyes are cute. Uh-huh. What was that? Is it the wagon fruit? I want to nap again. I'm tired still. Why did I get in the room? More I voted stickers. Oh, right. I voted at stickers. I voted stickers. Tap to upgrade. Wait, what? I get more now? You won! You defeated Oil the Foods? What? Oh my gosh. My eye is getting too big. I can see that. My neck hurts. Also, people don't think it's cute for some reason. You get back to normal. Ow. Same way I got rid of my fat. But my hands aren't long enough, so I'll need your help. Push my eye back in for me. Ew. Don't be scared of a little eye contact. What? Why is he in there? I feel so much better now. Even though you're missing an eye. Again. I saw your eye explode. How do you still have an eye? I have a lot of backup eyes. Check it out. This is horrifying. I think it's pretty normal. Haven't you heard of having eyes in the back of your head? Not like this. I am free. Whoa, you came out of my eye? Yep. I'm so surprised. You didn't see this coming. You had your eye on me for a while. Anyways, I'll help you find foods in your dreams. Keep an eye out for more weapons. What is the soap guy even do? I mean, I guess I'll have to learn later. I'll learn later. 3 foods. I can get 3. 1, 2, 3. I got a chest. Wow, there's so many cute foods here. What's inside you? It's a secret. Come on, just tell us. I'm sorry. It's hard for me to open up to people. Whenever I open up, people just take everything and leave. That's so relatable. Oh well. The key to do is just keep feeding your foods. Maybe one day I'll open up again. Good for you. I don't think I ever will. Are you okay? Good question. Is he okay? I don't think he is. Burger. I'm gonna eat finally. I guess I have to wait 4 more beds. 4 more minutes for another bed. My depth is going down, down, down to the bottom of the wall. What is this? Is this some cafe? Huh? You sure saved my life. No problem. Seriously, you're a lifesaver. Can't believe I caught an entire cafe. What were you doing in the ocean? Drowning mostly. I guess that makes sense. I'm surprised you were strong enough to pull me up. Yeah, I work out. I can tell. Thanks again. I can already repay you. Well, for some reason, my burger turns food into coins. Can you make him something to eat? That's weird, but okay, I'll make some drinks. I usually sell them for free. Hold on. I usually sell them, but I'll give them to you for free. I make drinks whenever you close the app. Give it a try. Welcome back. Thanks for the drink. Whoa, you ate the whole thing. The container isn't edible, you know. It's okay. My digestive system is amazing. Also, it's faster to eat the whole thing. I only have so long before I die. Gotta save time whenever I can. Eating the container might make you die sooner, but whatever. The important thing is that my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins. I make drinks for up to 2 hours while you're away from the game. Sounds good. Do you want a notification when my cafe is full of drinks? Sure, great. Ha! Take that, dragon fruit. You will not get more food than my beautiful burger, boy. Burger? No, I want no more drink. Actually, the dragon fruit's more gold. Never mind, you can do whatever you want. Wait, I can get another guy. What happens if I don't click at all? Oh, well, dragon fruits. I've played this game before. It is made. I know I've played this game before, but not on the channel. So I'm just gonna pretend like I've never played the game before, okay? Wow, this is a very strange game. I've played this game before. I just wanna make it seem like I've never heard of this game before, even though I've seen it all over YouTube before. I love this game. I think it's awesome. And I most certainly will do more parts on this game. So this will be part 1, and then I'll keep playing, and it'll be coming to a whole series of playing fishing food with the kid in the laser. We're gonna fish. What's that? Alright, dang it, I can't turn off the notifications. You want fries at that game? Sure. Well, here I am. Hope you're happy because I'm not. What's wrong? Everything is wrong. Nothing is real. It's all just a simulation. All I do is slide around on a dock. It's a waste of time. It'll get better. Thanks, buddy. At least I can spare other fries by eating them. Also, the chest is open. Please unlocking me. Here's 4 capacity boosts. It will help you catch a lot more fish each round. You want to watch it more? No, thank you. Okay, check. YouTubers don't watch ads. Level 5. Whoa, is that a portal? Where did I get portal from? I got another chest. Portal? What? Whoa, what fell on my roof? That scared me. I don't know. Looks like a portal. I wonder where it goes. Tap the fish. Okay, I'll tap the fish. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, the portal duplicates the food I caught. It's amazing. Looks like it's closed now, though. No, I could have made so much more money. I'll try to find a way to open up again. I figured out how to open the portal. Turns out it's powered by love. You kidding me? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm just joking. It's actually powered by watching ads. Wow, that's even worse. Why does the portal want me to watch ads? Why can't it just work? Who knows? Not me. It's probably best not to question it. Just watch the ads. Wow, you want me to watch ads too? It's the right thing to do. Were you forced to say that? Of course not. Wow. No thank you. Actually, I can nap again. Whoa. Let's Sigma oranges. Sigma oranges. Perfect timing. I was feeling a little thirsty. I got you. Looks like I upgraded my stickers. Upgrading my stickers to max time. Max puddles. Those puddles are huge. My screen zoomed out. This is not Geometry Dash. Fire in the hole. I hate the sound. Now I'm surviving for as long as I can. Oh, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of ones. They're all over the place. Ugh. You died. You died. Don't worry. It was just a dream. Actually, we just... Wait, what's the setting button? Notifications on. Oh, editors. Type something. Hi, man. Who are you? Who are you? Hi, man. Who are you? Just one man, Rob. I'm Burger. I'm Burger. Cool. Sorry if I'm not talking, it's just I'm too busy writing. Alright, let's play. Hi, man. Who are you? Who you? I'm Burger. Cool. Really? No. Boo you. You ain't bad at all. Whatever. Just eat more burgers. Okay, thanks. Gmail. That didn't. Whoa. Whoa. You aren't allowed to see that. I'm Japanese. Bye. I only won. I just completely forgot you could do that in this game. And, I mean, I never did. I didn't know that you could do that. I mean, it's already been 20 minutes. This is gonna be the end of part 1. And I will see you in part 2. That's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Get in the wall. Anyways, get in the laser. Later, dudes.